everybody, and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. Well, today is a little bit different than it has been previous weeks, and I wonder, does anybody notice why? Because today, most of you, I can see where you are, you're watching it in your classrooms again, aren't you? We're not watching this from home like we have been doing for the last 8 assemblies. We are now all back in school, which is fantastic news. So, hello everybody! Okay, so we have returned to school this week, and we have to say we could not be prouder of the way you have come back to school. You have shown confidence, you have shown maturity, a love of learning, respect for all the rules we still have in place to keep ourselves safe, and it is so lovely to see you all. And I know all of the staff at school are just as happy, as I'm sure lots of our families at home are very happy to have you back in school as well. So, to begin this week's assembly, we are going to share a video from the wonderful Miss Chandaraja. Now, we know last week our World Book Day assembly went to the next level. It was probably one of our best Book Day celebrations ever. It was sublime. So, over to you, Miss Chandaraja. Let's see what everybody was getting up to.
Widział bowiem nieraz.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Miss Chandaraja. That all looked amazing, and I know I sure had lots of fun and learned lots of new things on World Book Day this year. So it is time for our stars of the week, and this week I think we should let's start with Key Stage 2. In fact, for no real reason, let's start with Year 6. You know why, Year 6. Okay, in Year 6 this week, a huge shout out and well done to Vidalina, Liam, and Leandro. Congratulations to the 3 of you. You are our Year 6 stars this week. In Year 5, can I say a huge well done to Adam, Amel, and Sama. Congratulations for being the Year 5 stars this week. In Year 4, well done to you, Musa. Well done to Umar, and well done to Naseba. All superstars this week. And in Year 3, let's give a big shout out and congratulations to Zehra, Taihan, and Alicia. Well done, guys. All superstars for Key Stage 2 this week. Now we know who has been rewarded with their stars of the week. We're going to go back to my class, Mandela. We're going to see what those guys have been up to because they want to share a motivational message with you about being back in school, about staying safe, and about staying fantastic. Over to you, Mandela.
Hey, welcome to Mandela class. This is where magic happens.
let's chat about life, shall we?
Okay.
How has it been coming back to school this week?
I think everyone's quite relieved because they get to see their friends and they get to go out more. Whereas some children didn't get to go out during lockdown. And it helps our physical health and mental health. So it's much better for everybody. Now let me ask you something. Did you learn anything during lockdown about yourself?
Yes, I did. I learned that I'm much more flexible and I'm very, very fast at running and I'm very good at sports that I am very familiar to. And I learned that I can really be patient if I think about it and that I can really understand the people when they're having a hard time to talk. And that's what all I learned.
Okay, interesting. Now let's hand over to some other people.
Everyone, we are living through history. We have spent a whole year doing things differently. Some people say that maybe we can change education for the better. What do you think?
Who, me?
Yes, you. I think that we should have more clubs so everyone can follow their interests. What do you think, everybody?
Well, I think we should have more creative writing, arts and English so we can have the chance to be more creative and learn more stuff with our friends.
Can I give some advice? This is for everyone. Keep hold of the good stuff in lockdown. Maybe you found new ways to be independent.
Learning is a team endeavor. Appreciate the joy of playing together.
This was fun. Thanks for visiting us.
Hey, thank you, Mandela. That was really, really great. Thank you for sharing those motivational messages and reminders about how we're going to stay so fantastic and safe now we're back in school together. So it's time for more Stars of the Week. So let's see who were stars in early years and Key Stage 1 this week. Starting with our nursery stars. So down at Little Park, well done to Sophia, Ahmed and Mahira. Well done, you three. Fantastic. In reception, shout out to Zohan, Daniel and Jakob, our reception stars of the week. In year 1, well done to Adama, Jana and Ahmed. Congratulations, year 1 stars. And finally, year 2 stars, shout out to Shireen, Marla and Alicia. Congratulations, everybody. Your teachers are all very, very proud of everything you've been doing this week. Okay, well, that is all of our celebrating and achieving for this week on our assembly. Haven't we had a lovely time? Now, going forward on our assembly, something we would love to see is if some people would like to do some book reviews. Book reviews like maybe people on the YouTube, on the interweb like to do sometimes. Maybe you would like to be a park YouTuber and do some book reviews. If you think you would like to speak about a book that you have read and you have loved, please let your class teacher know and we can arrange for Mr. Walker to come and film you talking about your favorite books, okay? So for now, everybody, have a great weekend. Keep on staying safe. Peace out. Bye.